Let's dive in. We are different types of sentence using only a single verb take, and how to make different types of sentence we are going to practice it. Okay students, let's start. I take rice. I don't take rice. Do I take rice? When do I take rice? Why do I take rice? I took rice. I didn't take rice. Did I take rice? When did I take rice? Why did I take rice? I will take rice. I will take rice. I won't take rice. Will I take rice? When will I take rice? Why will I take rice? Why will I take rice? Okay, continuous tense. I am taking rice. I'm not taking rice. Am I taking rice? When am I taking rice? Where am I taking rice? I was taking rice. I wasn't taking rice. I wasn't taking rice. Was I taking rice? Was I taking rice? When was I taking rice? When was I taking rice? I will be taking rice. I will be taking rice. I will be taking rice. Will I be taking rice? Will I be taking rice? When will I be taking rice? When will I be taking rice? Okay, next, perfect tense. I have taken rice. I have taken rice. I haven't taken rice. I haven't taken rice. Have I taken rice? Have I taken rice? When have I taken rice? I had taken rice. I had taken rice. When had I taken rice? When had I taken rice? Had I taken rice? I will have taken rice. I will have taken rice. I will have taken rice. I won't have taken rice. Will I have taken rice? Will I have taken rice? When will I have taken rice? Okay, next on perfect continuous tense or present perfect continuous tense. I have been taken rice for an hour. I have been taken rice since morning. I have been taken rice since morning. I had been taken rice for an hour. I had been taken rice for an hour. I had been taken rice since morning. I had been taken rice since morning. Okay students, you have to practice in this way to increase your fluency and to make different types of sentences. Okay, in here, see you later.